And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to spot phishing emails or risky links. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to spot any kind of phishing email and risky links, you need to watch for urgency, generic greetings, and mismatched email addresses. Always hover your mouse over links to reveal their true destination before clicking. For hands-on experience, you can also analyze common phishing examples and practice verification techniques. So if you want some phishing training, some key indicators are like creating a sense of urgency. The email may be threat to an account closure or fine, or it may offer a limited time reward to pressure you into acting without any thinking. So it can also have some generic or unusual greetings like dear customers and stuff like this. However, legitimate businesses will typically use your name. So you can also find some mismatched email domains or poor spelling and grammar mistakes or some suspicious links as well. So if you want to spot a risky link, you need to hover to reveal the URL and check for HTTPs and padlock icon. Look for URL misspellings or use a link checker as well. So some common phishing examples may be fake login attempt alerts, urgent invoice scams, or impersonated HR or IT. So this is how you can spot phishing emails or risky links on your email. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.